Create stunning vintage or distressed effects with Montana Crackle Spray. Surfaces should be clean, dry, and have any rust, oils, or dust removed before application. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down, allowing the ring to fall out. Shake can well for 2 to 3 minutes. The Montana Crackle effect can only be achieved on Montana Gold and Montana White, with exception of chrome effects. Prior coating of your object is necessary to achieve the effect. The pre-painting should dry minimum 45 minutes, but no longer than 24 hours. Apply 2 to 3 even layers with 1 or more of the Crackle effect colors, then to let the distressing process begin to occur. Apply Crackle effect at a distance of 50 to 20 centimeters from substrate. Apply crackle linearly, in even, thin layers, to achieve a uniform crackle pattern. Thin application creates fine crackles. Heavier application leads to bigger crackles. At 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, dust dry after approximately 10 minutes. Touch dry after approximately 60 minutes. Fully cured after 24 hours. The drying time depends on temperature, humidity, and thickness of coating. The Montana Crackle effect can be overpainted when fully dry and cured with acrylic lacquers. Seal with Montana varnish for further protection. Must be totally cured before sealing. Montana Crackle effect. Highest spray paint quality made in Germany.